Villa Kimini. Villa Kimini is a beautiful place located and measured at the beach, which has wraps around lodging and ecological trail where you can walking the rush with nature, enjoy diet by beach which you find and relax in the best way. Best Beautiful Paradise is located in Uaga. Here you can locate the sea walking around and the sand. You can have delicious cocktail. The shore at the beach where the sunset and the appreciate the native nature and at Playland the mangroves, birds such as mucats, gunnasot been found. In its place they have giant private rooms where people can stay. The people you can should come in. Stay 0 days here. Enjoy nature and the climate is warm and lands do south to enjoy very sanda the place has. If we want to never care, they also have boots that you can run the unjockeyed king or walk. They depend on the place that each person comes from. Since there are people who come from other cities, they must arrive either by plane to take Uruk by boats or private cars and even motor cycles, but only to get to the destination. Within the places such odds are used and only if one if the witches to recreate the rats, no other vehicle is used within facilities. 2 options where they can stay during the threats is in the rooms or in the sense rate. Do stay people. The food of the places: fried fish, cornstarch, coconut rice, patacons and salad, campanile, bite apanala, lemonade, also patacons, wish, shrek, savage, shrimp, cocktail, and seafood cuts raw, months others. The drink the when big consume are fruit michelares, which en vida le empanelé lemonade and and the words like the ones you can read anywhere. The co-star, the tourists, the package just read, 100 sauce and pesos for person. Reference photos taken from Facebook. Thank you for your attention.